the ultimate brewing experience. Reviews of the best bean-to-cup coffee machines. For coffee connoisseurs seeking the epitome of freshness and flavor, bean-to-cup coffee machines are a game changer. These sophisticated appliances grind coffee beans on demand, ensuring a cup that embodies the essence of freshly ground beans. In this article, we'll explore 5 of the best bean-to-cup coffee machines, unraveling their features, pros, and cons to help you embark on a journey of unparalleled coffee delight. 1. DeLonghi Magnifica ESAM 3300 Super Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine. Pros: integrated conical burr grinder for fresh and consistent grounds, adjustable grind size and coffee strength settings, dual boiler system for simultaneous brewing and steaming, customizable cup size and temperature, compact design with a durable stainless steel exterior. Cons: learning curve for beginners, higher price point. 2. Jura E6 Automatic Coffee Center. Pros: pulse extraction process PEP for optimized extraction, Aroma G3 grinder for quiet and efficient grinding, intuitive TFT display for easy customization, multi-level conical grinder for precise grind size, compact design with a sleek chrome finish. Cons: premium price point, regular maintenance required. 3. Gaggia Anima Prestige Automatic Coffee Machine. Pros: one-touch beverage selection for ease of use, adjustable ceramic burr grinder with 5 grind settings, programmable brewing options including temperature and volume, integrated milk frother for lattes and cappuccinos, compact footprint with a contemporary design. Cons: plastic exterior may not feel as premium. Water reservoir capacity may be limiting for some users. 4. Seiko Encanto Carafe Super Automatic Espresso Machine. Pros: ceramic burr grinder with 10 grind settings, large 60-ounce water reservoir for extended use, quick heat-up time for minimal waiting, adjustable coffee strength and temperature, integrated milk carafe for automatic frothing. Cons: higher price point. Some users report issues with milk frother maintenance. 5. Melita Cafe OCI Bean-to-Cup Coffee Machine. Pros: 2-cup mode for simultaneous brewing, adjustable grind size and coffee strength, easy-to-use control panel with a color display, double cup warmer for pre-warming cups, removable brewing unit for easy cleaning. Cons: relatively loud operation, limited to one type of bean at a time. Conclusion: bean-to-cup coffee machines represent the pinnacle of coffee brewing technology, providing a personalized and freshly ground cup with every press of a button. Whether you opt for the feature-rich DeLonghi Magnifica, the sophisticated Jura E6, the user-friendly Gaggia Anima Prestige, the reliable Seiko Encanto Carafe, or the efficient Melita Cafe OCI, each machine brings a unique set of features. To elevate your coffee experience, consider your brewing preferences, available space, and budget to find the bean-to-cup coffee machine that aligns perfectly with your coffee aspirations.